Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to use artificial intelligence to start your own digital agency. In this video, we'll explore the innovative ways AI tools can streamline operations, enhance services, and help you stand out in the competitive digital landscape. First, let's define what a digital agency is and what it does. A digital agency provides a range of marketing, strategic, and technical services to businesses aiming to thrive in the online world. From web development and SEO to digital marketing and content creation, these agencies are the backbone of successful online presence. Now let's delve into the role of artificial intelligence in this sector. AI can automate routine tasks, provide deep insights through data analysis, and even help in creative processes, making it a valuable ally for any digital agency aiming to innovate and improve efficiency. Imagine leveraging AI for detailed analytics and data management. Tools like Google Analytics AI, CRM systems, and customer data platforms can dissect large volumes of data to unveil actionable insights, helping your agency make informed decisions quickly and accurately. AI is not just about numbers, it's also breaking new ground in creative content generation. AI-driven tools like copywriting software, graphic design bots, and video editing assistants can help create stunning, engaging content that captures audience attention. Enhancing customer engagement is another major advantage of integrating AI within your digital agency. AI chatbots, personalized email marketing, and social media automation can help maintain a constantly engaging and personalized experience for clients, driving loyalty and satisfaction. Ready to start your AI-powered digital agency? Begin by defining your niche, selecting the right AI tools, setting up your business structure, and building a team skilled in both AI technology and traditional digital services. Remember, success lies in blending technology with creativity. Harnessing the power of AI can transform your digital agency into a more efficient, creative, and competitive business. Embrace AI, and you'll not only keep up with industry trends, but set new benchmarks. Subscribe for more insights and tools to empower your journey.